What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's make chargers smart again. If you don't use a smart charger, you should. This JANBOTEK smart wall charger advertises that it is smart, so I'm hoping that it is, because I'm not the brightest bulb. But this charger looked pretty cool. It looked like it was going to meet my needs here. So I just thought I would unbox it here for you and see what we get in this little tiny package. First of all, I will tell you that it seems like it is very portable. It's got this kind of matte, soft touch, rubberized finish on the outside here. It's black, and obviously it feels nice in the hands, but it's not very big, and that's really the beauty of it. So let's take, for example, this fast charger. It's a USB-C type charger, but look at the size difference. This is something that you would use, for a typical MacBook, but look how much smaller that sucker is, right? About the same width, actually, but obviously quite a bit smaller. And the beauty of it is you get a USB-C charging port right there, little LED light, and then a quick charge 3.0 USB type A charger or port right there, and then you have flip down charging prongs. And so this is just going to be really nice for not only charging up things with that USB-C, but USB-A. And this is perfect for me because I really am always looking for small chargers that I can carry with me because, I want to be able to charge headphones with the USB-C, or my MacBook, or the regular USB-A port, charge my phone or my iPad and those types of things. So eventually more things are going to go to the USB-C, and so it's nice to kind of have future proofing with that type of plug on things. But for now, you really want to have, in most cases, both ports available, and this JANBOTEK does it. So I'm really excited about this. Looks like it fits my size and kind of diverse power requirements. Check it out. I'll put a link to the description. Peter Von Panda out.